prays his prayers. Then after the prayer, he says Subhanallah 33 times. Alhamdulillah 33 times. Allahu Akbar 33 times, and wraps it up and makes it 100 by saying La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah lahul mulk wa lahul hamd wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. He says whoever does this after every salah, Allah Azza wa Jal will forgive his sins even if they're equivalent to the froth of the ocean. Allahu Akbar. Look how much is there in the remembrance of Allah. Look how much is there, my brothers and sisters, when you remember Allah. And you know what's beautiful about the dhikr of Allah Azza wa Jal is you don't need to be in a special room. You don't need to be in a masjid somewhere. You don't even need to be in wudu. Wherever you are, whatever condition, you can keep your tongue busy in the remembrance of Allah and count your rewards. It's so easy to do. But how many of us remember to do it?